Hi, this is Jebb Adams, and I'm here with the Singer 306K PARMEET, and then over there you can see the Singer 306K PAIGE. But I wanted to start here with PARMEET because I never showed you I never showed you its nice, clean hook gear. So, and the other thing I want to do is I want to replace the cover now that it's nice and clean. So it's clean enough now and lubricated and oiled enough now that it could stay. I probably wouldn't have to touch it again for years if I don't, or for a long time if I don't use the machine. However, if the machine is being used, especially on a very frequent basis, then it has to be maintained anyway. So we'll get right to it. We'll get these screws out of here, and I had put them there so that I would know where they were when I went looking for them. I have some magnetic trays and that kind of stuff, but it's nice to be able to just leave the things right on site, in situ. And then when you need them, they're right there. Less time for them to go missing. So now I've got the sewing machine in the correct position again. So that one will go there, that one will go... Am I showing you this, guys? Yes, I am. I am still having to come to terms with my not keeping the subject in the frame. I'm missing video. I'm chopping up videos because I never get them in the frame. It's terrible. But I found a way to remedy that, so hopefully this is the last time you'll hear me discussing that problem that I've been having. Life's little challenges when you play with videos. What is it? What we used to get called or call them? Vidiots? I digress. Anyway, we're lined up there for this other screw. So that was really cool. I mean, we did all three. Well, PAIGE, her gear compartment never really needed to be done because that obviously is a very well maintained machine, wherever it came from, whoever had it. So, that's very encouraging to see that. And I'm not surprised that it ended up, a machine of that quality or this quality or caliber ended up at the Mission Thrift Store. So anyway, we got that done. The point of this video, today's lesson, is a lot of, well, I'll say it's fun, man. It's fun. It's a lot of fun. I'll let you guys be the judge. And even though my aim with the camera has been poor, I still respectfully request your support in the form of likes and subscribing. Enough said. Here's these two beauties here. So here's the deal. With both of these, all my 306s, all three of them came in cabinets. They came in furniture. So PAIGE, her furniture is in the hallway. PARMEET, her furniture is in my back seat. My car's parked out front of the apartment building. And so, but I got both of these, each of these machines I got for a reasonable price. I paid $40 for this one, and I paid $40 for that one. Danny, the Black Beauty, I paid $50 for it. And it came with furniture and the pedal and the plug and an instruction manual en français in French, which is good, which is fine. But no, I'm not fluent. I'm not even bilingual. I speak a smattering. or understand a smattering. But anyway, so these were very reasonably purchased machines, because $40 today, the American, the Canadian dollar has just gone up to 80 cents against the American dollar. So, $1 American is worth 80 cents Canadian. But when I bought these machines back in the summer, the Canadian dollar was, fluctuating around 76 cents US, sometimes a little less. And I'm not a currency trader. It really doesn't make a big difference to me, but I do keep track of Canadian dollars and US dollars now that I have this channel. So anyway, yeah, they were bought for very reasonably. And the other thing is that, yeah, they came with furniture, these two, and they also came with some other things. So I'm going to start with PARMEET here. Excuse me. And I'll show you what I got with PARMEET. There we go. We got another Singer 306 automatic swing needle swing. It's on Francais as well. Wait a second, what's here? Oh, look, they got some stuff en Francais. And okay, cool. So yeah, that's an interesting. You guys see that? Got to make sure I'm showing you. Got to make sure I'm lined up. So now we got two books, both en Francais, in French. What do we have here? We have sewing machine attachments. Sewing machine attachments. Nice Singer box. Been taped up to keep it in good repair. And what do we got? We got a double needle. Cool. We have a, do they call those a ruffler? And the reason I say ruffler is I draw your attention to these things here, this one here, and these ones here. I think that's what actually shirrs the fabric or ruffles the fabric. I haven't learned how to use one yet. I believe this may be called a piper. It's able to pipe or create a pipe. Don't know. And there's another one. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I don't know why this lady had a bar of soap in here, but it's very lightly scented. And she was, oh no, this is these are the plates for embroidery and freehand and stuff. She kept on talking about soap, but she didn't speak English very well. I think she understood written and reading English and writing English better than she spoke. I also think she was hard of hearing. She was elderly. She was South Asian. Very nice woman. Her name was PARMEET. That's why this thing. So anyway, there's the accessories that came with PARMEET. And we'll put that double needle back in there. I want to try that out. And I want to try out the ruffler and stuff. But what else we got in here? We got another little bag. I'll open up the bag. You know what? since I'm working right here, this is where we'll do it. So we have another needle. We'll put that down there. What do we got here? Fashion discs for Singer Automatic Swing Needle Machine 306 class. See, and that's what these machines were. When these machines were built in the early 50s, whenever, the word zigzag had not been coined yet. It was not, that word really didn't exist, or it existed very, very limited situations or circumstances. But anyway, so that's what Singer called us. It wasn't a zigzag needle or a zigzag machine. It was a swing needle machine. So let's take a look at our, oh, cool. It opens this way. What does it say on the bottom? Nothing. There's part number. Nothing. And there's the discs. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. What I can tell you, and you guys may know this already, is that this is a visual title of what the stitch is. So it'll be like an arrowhead stitch or a pointer stitch or whatever. I think that might be called an arrowhead, but I'm not sure. So, and then it has the production information on the back, the part number, Great Britain, Simanco. That's what sewing manufacturing company, Simanco. So that's cool. And here we got some thread and some more, another needle, I think, or maybe more. What do we have in here? Well, we've got the pedal in here. There's the pedal. I had to cut it off to get it out of the box. I know, it's awful. I know, it's awful. But anyway, that's the pedal. There's the cord for the pedal. And in here, in this old pill box, we have some bobbins. And this thing goes in the case. It's for running the wire. It's like a plastic grommet, so the electrical wire doesn't get cut. So that's what's in that one. I can hardly wait to start taking these apart. I've got lots of these, and I've never taken one apart and maintained it or repaired it or looked at it even. So I see that in my near future, Let me put this away so that I don't lose track of these things. So yeah, $40 Canadian, like $30 American roughly. A cabinet, which I can refinish. And I mean, it's really, really cool. Here's Paige. And she came with a Singer buttonholer, for crying out loud. And I don't know how to use that contraption, but look at this thing. It's a beast in itself. So, and like it's got templates or something. And there's screws and plates and dials and more of the templates. And wow, that'll be a fun day. What have I got here? A buttonholer book. I know it says buttonholer, that's English. Ce n'est pas français, mon ami. Mes amis, not mon ami, mes amis. Plural, not singular. I had the gender right, though. So there, that's for the buttonholer. Look at that, there's a schematic, principal parts, and their function. To select the proper template for desired buttonholes. Change the template. Fasten feed cover plate. That's what those things were, feed cover plates. That's what maybe some of them is for. Making the buttonhole. And it's all en anglais. It's all, it shows you where to oil and lubricate, oil and grease. There's all the patent numbers. Isn't that great? I love this. I mean, $40, $30 American. This one, $40 Canadian, $30 American. Denny in the other room, 50 bucks, you know, 40 American. Let's see what we got here for Singer sewing machine attachments. So it's the same number. All right, same number. And we got another ruffler. And we got another piper. And so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more foot than PARMEET had. Then there's a needle down there, a bobbin, a screw, looks like it does belong here, and then these plates for embroidery or whatever. So that's that. Oops, I got to put these parts back in here. So that's kind of doubles on that. But those are for the 306. Like, how cool is this? What a, you know, what a happy event. What else have I got? Okay, I've got the electrical cord to plug it in the receptacle in the wall and then to the machine. So I'll wind that up. And the pedal is there. The electric motor is there. The cover that goes up there is there. The other thing I like about these machines is you get 2 chrome spool pins. So put the wire back in there. You're gonna need that. And then here's some more discs. You know, did that cost $1.25? I don't know. I don't know what that indicates. But always operate machine with disc, even when doing straight sewing. Always have a disc. So there's this one is graphic, but it's not colored like the other one. And they are numbered. I don't know if I just missed that on the other ones. But there's like a curve. I forget what they call that. There's a zigzag. There's a straight zigzag. Zigzag. Scallop, is that what they call that? Might be scallop. But anyway, there's another 6 there. So, I mean, I've already got some. But, you know, at least it's nice to have a set for each machine. And then what do I have? Some hand sewing needles. A bobbin with some purple tape. And a double needle. Then I have some marking chalk for fabric. And a little thing of white tape. And then this was a little handle part off the case. So that's kind of cool. You know, 2 machines. Both came with accessories. And so I will have something to do with those. You know, you do end up acquiring them. Once again, thank you for your patience. I hope I was focusing well in this video. It is an issue. I'm dealing with my hyper issues, but thank you for coming. I hope you're still watching. Hope there's somebody there, and please like and subscribe. And I appreciate my viewers and my likers, my subscribers very much, and have a great day. Have fun and stay safe. Ciao for now.